In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Rush Hunt Fishing 4 on your PC for free. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and after that we will quickly go to the Steam website. So open the Steam website, make sure you will install the Steam application. After that search up the game Rush Hunt Fishing and select the game. Now if you scroll a little bit down, then you will find out that if we click on this button play game, you will automatically start downloading the game for free on your PC through Steam. So make sure you have installed the Steam application. After that click on this button and it will start downloading into your game library. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.